Itanya riri kunyihia muigano wa andu aria makua kumana na mitino ya barabara o mwaka. Ruhonge rwa NTSA ni rwambikite kambini njeru mambura-ini maya ma thiguku. Ndereba kana muhuthiri ungi wa barabara uria wanyitwo na mahitia agacagura gatagati ga kunyita kibandiko kiandikitwo mahitia maria ari namo kana gutwarwo igooti-ini.
They have an option to go to court, and you know also if they are on their way home, going to court might take them longer than 10 minutes, for example. So this is a voluntary thing, and it's an innovative way to enforce road traffic offenses.
Aria matacokitie ikinya riri ni makenetio nirio na NTSA yugite ni guthie na mbere na gutabania firigiceni na githomo niguo mitino ya barabara enyihe.
I overtook at a wrong turn. Yes, so this is the punishment. And I'm glad that at least we didn't get into a negotiation of bribe or court.
Yeah, I'm feeling comfortable because I have done that offense. Okay, it's an offense. So I'm confessing that offense. These people, they are staying just for our security, for our life saving. Okay.
Comparing to the other years, there's been a reduction, and this is because the enforcement has been done at source. For example, when people come with vehicles that are full, before they leave Nairobi, the passengers have been told you are already boarding a full vehicle.
Muikariri giti wa tene wa kiama kia mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini Sanchangwan onake ni ekorire hatika-ini thutha wake kwagarara watho wa barabara. Aria mauna watho maranyita kibandiko giki gatagati ka ndagika 10 na ithaa rimwe. Uria unyitite arakinyita nginya riria harigia mundu ungi wanyitwo unite watho.
No. You've already done your work. You are helping as a volunteer. You either choose to go to court or hold this.
Firigiceni ya gwathana na riu onayo no irathie na mbere.
Measuring drink driving drivers who are public PSV drivers, they are being checked if their levels of alcohol are high before they even take off.
Bururi wa Kenya ni umwe wa mabũrũri maria makoragwo na mitino meingi muno ya barabara gĩtarũ Africa, na riu NTSA na honge ingĩ cia ũgitĩri wa barabara irenda kũgarũra ndeto ĩno nĩguo barabara cia Kenya ituĩke mũhiano kũrĩ mabũrũri mangĩ kumana na ũnyihu wa mitino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.